RV152, contact the 121.0.
If we have a failure below 100 knots, call out the failure and we will prepare to abort if necessary. If a failure of a serious nature occurs after 100 knots, I will make the decision, so be prepared for whatever is required. Please start checklist.
Okay, restart checks. Battery brake.
Is set.
External power.
Established.
Battery switch.
That's on.
Circuit breakers.
Is checked.
Gear pins, pitter covers.
On board.
Loose objects, equipment.
Check.
Seatbelt, no smoking.
Okay, it's on.
Oxygen main valve.
That's on.
Mask and regulator.
Is tested and set.
Is tested and set. Landing gear.
Down.
Cockpit voice recorder.
Checked and okay.
Engine fire panel.
Checked.
Pressurization.
Is checked.
Speed brake lever.
Down.
Hydraulics.
Okay, that's set.
INS system.
Is checked.
Yaw damper.
Negative.
Yaw damper.
Engaged.
Auto brake.
RTO.
External lights.
Okay. Off.
Avionics.
Okay, it's on.
ATIS.
Obtained.
Flight director.
No, it's not set. Just what now?
Flight director.
Okay, it's on.
Autopilot settings.
Set. Off.
Radio altimeter.
Okay, that's set.
Altimeter.
Is set.
Airspeed books.
Is set.
Throttles.
Closed.
Takeoff data.
Set and checked.
Fuel quantity.
Check.
Transponder.
Okay, that's set.
Restart checklist complete.
Checklist vehicles in the laboratory. The cross check is complete. All passengers are aboard already. The cross check is complete. Cross check complete. Cockpit secure. Passenger.
Qatar 005, contact Qatar 121.175 today.
Airport just filed. Fly runway heading 140,000. Departure on 123.7. Squawk 1416.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have your attention to the following safety instructions as informed. Please secure your seatbelts while the seatbelt is turned on and monitor the seatbelts. So unfasten the seatbelt, raise the form and pull the leg out of the buckle. Please note that smoking is not permitted on this flight. Smoking in the laboratory is prohibited by law. It is authorized to use
Battery brake. Off.
Welcome, Holidays.
5569, clear destination Zongo to Alpha departure, altitude 12,000 feet, clock 4736.
Before pushback check.
Okay, before pushback checks. Cabin reports.
Received.
External call.
If disconnected.
Doors.
Closed.
Strobe lights.
No, it's not set. Just do it now.
Strobe lights.
That's on.
Ready for pushback. Before pushback checks complete.
Before start checks.
Okay, before start checks. Probe heat.
Is on.
Window heat.
Okay, it's on.
Throttles.
Idle.
Boost pumps.
Okay, it's on.
Beacon.
Yep, on.
Parking brakes set.
Brake pressure up.
Turkish 420, descent
Before
flight
start
level
checks
2.
complete. Start number 1. One stable. Start number 2.
Lot 152, direct to Bukov. Direct Bukov is 152.
Two stable.
Siberia 943, good morning. Crushing Window 3, don't you go down for 9. Siberia 943, point soft identified, track go full descent flight level 140.
After start checks.
Okay, after start checks.
Throttles. Idle.
Engine start switches.
Check generator.
Electrical power.
Removed.
APU bleed.
Is off.
APU.
Is off.
Warning lights.
That's checked.
Air conditioning.
On.
Hydraulics.
Set correct.
Anti-ice.
Set.
Avionics.
Yes, off.
Clear signals lights.
Is checked.
Auto brake.
RTO.
Siberia 943, direct to
Trim.
Burutar.
Set and checked.
After start checks complete.
Consolidate 5569, climb up runway 05.
Parking brake. Off.
Steer to land consolidate 5569.
Check.
Flaps 2 selected. Flaps 5 selected. Flaps 5 set. Flaps 5. Flight controls.
Checked.
Nav 8.
152 contact Bucharest, 122 decimal 6.
As required.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask that you direct your attention
On.
to the forward part of each cabin
Final
and
weight
leaving
is
monitoring
checked.
for a brief and important
Checklist
message about the
complete.
safety features and procedures for this aircraft. Please ensure your seatbelts are secure and fastened. Seats are in the upright position and the tray tables in front of you